All right, pilots, arm your quads as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. All right, our leader is McStrolly. What's he up? All right, McStrolly on a 4-lap 2:03 pace. He's not going to better his 3-lap time right now, followed by McFly. Goes on 3-lap 2:23 pace. Let's see if we can get him on the leaderboard here. Get his 3rd lap in. That is time when you cross, you'll be done. They caught you, Mick. No, not everybody done. We still have McFly up. He's fixing to come through the tunnel by the pilot's tent through our start-finish gate. Can he get this lap in? Good job. That moves you up into 19th place. Good run. 3 laps, 2:12. All right, guys, everybody's down. Let's retrieve some quads.